Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Sanjana from BZC first year. Today I am going to give a video presentation on awareness on plastic pollution. So here these are the topics that we are going to discuss in this plastic pollution. They are the definition, causes, effects, safety measures and the conclusion of plastic pollution. So before going to know about plastic pollution, we need to know what is environmental pollution. It means it is the contamination of air, water, soil by the substances that are harmful to the living beings. Let's enter into the plastic pollution. Plastic pollution means it is the accumulation of plastic products. That means increase in the content of plastic product in the environment, and it adversely affects the wildlife habitat as well as the human life habitat. These are the causes of plastic pollution. As the plastic is less expensive and cheap, the people tend to buy the plastic items, but they don't know that it is very harmful to the environment. Here, these are the major contributor to this problem today include. The first one is plain old trash. As the plastic is cheap and durable, everyone will buy the plastic, so when they dispose these plastic items, it doesn't decompose easily and pollute the air and land. Second thing is plastic take 400 years and even more to decompose. We people will dispose the plastic on land, but we don't know that the decomposition rate of plastic ranges from 500 years to 600 years. There is an agency called Environmental Protection Agency. They say that the plastic that made and dumped in the environment, they are still exist. Next, third thing is fishing nets. Fishing is an occupation. Of course, it is very necessary for the world because people eat fishes for the survival. But here, the net used for the fishing are made up of plastic. So here, during the fishing net may broke and they remain in the water, and that leads to the leaking of toxins. So this not only pollute the water but also kill the aquatic life. Fourth thing is disposing of plastic and garbage. So generally some people will burn the plastic, so that result in the release of chemical substances that are toxic in nature. These are the effects of plastic pollution. In this first picture, when we people throw the plastic on the land, so these organisms, they get stuck in the plastic items, and that leads to the death of organisms. And the second thing is, when we people throw the plastic on the land, what will do, the animals, it will come and they ingest this plastic items because they don't know that the plastic won't digest. So they eat this plastic items, and that causes the death of organism. In the third and fourth pictures also, when we throw the plastic items in the water, some organisms, they ingest these plastic items, or sometimes they get trapped in these plastic items, and that causes the death of organism. And here the plastic, how it is going to impact on health. So it can affect the irritation in the eyes, headache, dizziness, thyroid, lungs problem, diarrhea, birth defects, skin diseases, etc. These are the safety measures of plastic pollution. So already we know the schemes, that is reduce, reuse, recycle and recovery. So through this scheme, at least we can decrease the plastic content in our environment. And this is the poster that is going to say that say no to the plastic. And here these are the 8 reasons say no to use the plastic bags. That means it can pollute the nature, it doesn't degrade, it hard to recycle, it made from fossil fuels, they're better alternatives, it harms human health, it harms animals, and it constantly to buy and clean up.